Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Carly and this is my channel, Carly's Crafts and Interests. Welcome! Today I'm doing what you could do for a wedding idea. At least I'm going to be doing it. You know those glass hanging, we usually have with dried flowers that you've seen maybe? I'm going to be making one of those. And I do have a bride that will be receiving it. They're getting married pretty soon. So, for this project, you will need some dried flowers, of course, or, for things to paste into your glass. She's not a pink person, so we won't be using these today, except maybe the whites. You also need some clear glue to paste things down with. And a brush to paste. I find easy to paste on the glue. So, I will position the camera so you can see what I am doing. Come on, guys. Okay. Here we have as you can see, I'm not going to put it on both halves, just one half, because the other one will be closing it, making it. You close all your, of course, your design that you did. She does like yellows, so I'm going to be, and whites, and so I'm going to be using this bunch today. Oh, and if it comes sealed, you might want to have some scissors on hand as well. So we cut it open. Gotta get to them. Okay, and we have them ready to go. I can just reach. Whatever. There we go. They're nice. As you can see. I'm not going to use them quite yet because we got to put the glue down first. So, just a bit of glue, because otherwise they'll just slide around in this glass case frame, and that is not what you want. So, just put enough glue that you can put on case so things will stay. I am not using Gorilla glue. Let's say that right. Glue or anything that is really strong. Okay, I've got that on there. It's clear, so you won't be able to see it on camera. But now let's decorate here. Let's see, I've got two on here. Try to get the right side. This one got a little bit crushed, but it's okay. You can still use it. Even so, that's the design. I wish these were easy to tear, but they're not. Let me look in here and see what else I can get. And you can make any manner of design that you would like with different flowers. There are lots of different flowers that are available that have been dried. Amazon is a great place to get it. A bit more glue in a space that I've got. And let's see, I got a little space here, so I'm going to use some glue, make sure there's some glue there as well. Let's see if I can get that. One. Sit there. A little bit extra there. There we go. And that's basically all it is. You just design and place the flowers, and when there are gaps, you can put more little, either flowers or leaves or whatever you have, and just make a pretty design. Trying to get to one more on here. Just use your imagination as you go. Sorry for not being overly talkative. I'm just trying to concentrate and do a decent job because I'm actually going to give this to somebody. I want it to look right, or at least look okay. Let's see. And I would wait till everything has dried really well and is sticking to your glass panel that you are putting them on, of course. And then you can close it up and you can hang it on your wall. As simple as that. It's easy. I saw these being sold with flowers on Amazon, and I thought, I can do that. That's not too hard or too, too difficult. Too difficult. And I even have a reason to do it. Just finishing up here. Just a little thing, I think. I'll show you what we have so far. See? This is the flowers that I have, and this is the color scheme that I decided to do because based on this person's tastes, what they like. I wouldn't want to use pink for someone, I would if they liked that, of course. And that's basically it. Just use your imagination. Just take some dried flowers, which you can buy simply. You can sometimes buy them in stores, but it's more easy to buy them online like I did. And just have fun just creating something that you like and you hope that, that the other person that you give, or if you are giving it to someone that is, will like as well. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I hope you will. And if you have, I'm glad you did. Glad to have you here. I am trying to get better at making more videos as it comes up I don't always do craft videos. I have stated that this channel is my interest, so sometimes you won't see, the craft. Take care.